Hi friends, my name is Pallavi Narayanan. I have started this educational channel so that students will be benefited. I have started with 10th standard Max Samacheer syllabus. If you have any questions or suggestions, please post in the comment box. Now let's move on to the lesson. Yesterday, I taught exercise 1.1, this first question. Okay, this first one we solved yesterday. So example sums also is already been solved. Okay, so you can go through you can check my channel, and that you can see. If you check my channel, you can able to see all the example problems that has been worked out. So yesterday I worked out this exercise problems. Okay. Uh, Today we will work out the second one. Okay, yesterday I worked out the first exercise problem. Today we will work out second exercise problem. Okay, so what is the question is, let a is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 and b is equal to x for x is a prime number less than 10. Okay, so what they have given, what they have given is, they have given a and b. A is 1 comma 2 comma 3 and b is x for x is a prime number less than 10. So b set will have the prime numbers that is less than 10. Okay, then so a and b are given, so we have to find a cross b and b cross a. Okay, so we already know how to find a cross b and b cross a, so anyways I'll work it out. But finding these elements we should be very careful. Okay, so b's elements, they didn't give it very straightforward like this. Okay, so they have said x, so they are saying b's element will be x for x is a prime number, so this b's elements will be a prime number that is less than 10. Okay, now let's move on to the solution. Okay, friends. Now we are going to move on to the solution. Okay, so I have written here that given as a and b, and we have to find out a cross b and b cross a. So first in answer we are going to write given elements. Given elements are a is equal to 1.3. Sorry, a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and b is equal to x for x is a prime number less than 10. Okay. So now first we have to find out b. Okay, first we have to find out what are all the b's elements. Then only we can do a cross b and b cross a. Okay, so first we have to find out what are all the b elements. Okay, what are all the what are all the prime numbers, what are all the prime numbers that is less than 10. So we should know the prime number. Okay, in order to answer this question. Okay, so prime numbers basically will be like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. Okay, so these are all the prime numbers. Okay, that I have listed here. These are all the prime numbers. Okay, so we are going to take the prime numbers less than 10 only. Okay, strictly less than 10. Anyways, 10 is not a prime number. Okay, so whatever the elements, whichever is less than 10, so we can keep the elements as b. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 7 are less than 10. So x for x is a prime number less than 10. Okay, so 2, 3, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers that is less than 10. So these elements we are writing like 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so after that 11, 13, 17, those are also prime numbers only, but we should not write those one because we are writing prime numbers that is less than 10. Okay, um, okay, so we got A's elements, now we found out B elements also. Okay, so with that now we are going to find A cross B. Okay, A cross B is, first we have to write the A's element cross B's element. Okay, and then we have to do the cross product or Cartesian product. We have to do the Cartesian product. Okay, so 1 comma, so how we are going to, each and every elements of A should be mapped with all the elements of B. Okay, so we have to do cross product in a way like each and every elements of A should be mapped with all the elements of B. So first we will see the first element of A. Okay, first element of A should be mapped with all the elements of B. Okay, so in that case 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 7, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 7. Now we completed first element of A. Now we are going to the second element of A, that is 2, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 7. So 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 7. So we completed with second element. Now we'll move on with third element. Third is 3. Third element is 3. 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 7. 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 7. So we are completed. So we completed the Cartesian product. So we mapped all the elements of A with all the elements of B. Okay, so we mapped correctly. Now we are moving on to B cross A. Okay, so A cross B we found out. Now we have to find B cross A. Similarly to A cross B, we are finding B cross A. The thing is, we are shifting those. We are shifting those sets. Okay, so B's elements are 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross A's elements is 1, 2, 3. Right. So we are crossing B with A. So each and every element of B should be mapped with all the elements of A. Okay. So first we'll see the 2. Okay, for first element of B, 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Then next element is 3, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. The next element is 5, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3. And then the last element is 7. Okay, last element is 7. So 7 comma 1, 7 comma 2, 7 comma 3, 7 comma 1, 7 comma 2, 7 comma 3, 7 comma 3. Okay, now we have completed B cross A. So this is how we already know the Cartesian product, right? In the previous videos and all, I already taught many times how to do A cross B and B cross A. But what is a thing we are so what is the thing we are learning new is finding B's elements. Okay, so B's elements are x for x is a prime number less than 10. Okay, so we have to find B's elements by so first we have to know what are all the prime numbers. Okay, only if we know what are the prime numbers, you can able to write prime numbers less than 10. So as I said, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 21. So those numbers are prime numbers. Okay, so B is equal to, so since we have to write only the prime numbers that is less than 10, we took this one 2, 3. We wrote only till 7. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers that is less than 10. Okay friends, that's it for today. Hope you all understood the problem. If you have any doubts in the problem, post it in the comment section. I will see through it later. Okay, friends, we will see in the next video. Until then, bye.